One more walkthrough before the final walkthrough. Kitchen cabinets are all in. They look really good. Antique white. Nice little fancy finish on them. Open them up. Soft close. Old appliances back in. That's all right though. Still need to put up a backsplash, countertops, and flooring. That's it. A tiny bit of touch-up work after that, and it will be complete. It's looking really good. You can see bedrooms. Not much more to see in here since last time. Bathrooms have the same cabinet in. Looks really good. Toilet's in. New toilet. Tub surround looks good. Fixtures are in. Flooring looks good. Same thing in here. New lights. Not much has changed. Doors are put up. Check out the same room. Cabinets are installed, looking excellent. Shower surround looks good. Tile all looks good. Look at that fancy. Nice. It's coming along. Almost finished. Like I said, just got some countertops. They would have them in here already, but as you can see, there's some parts that are gonna go back. Some parts that aren't. We are going to be replacing the glass. It was just kind of gross looking, so even though it was reusable, it was kind of outdated, and so doing everything new, we're just going to go and do that also. Anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Valhalla Venture, reiguideservice.com, reiguideservice.com. That's weird. All right, anyway, be blessed, bless others. Have a great day.